Hey traders, I hope you're all doing well. So let's start our analysis with natural gas first. I'm going to go through gold, silver, and crude oil today as well. So let's start our analysis with natural gas here first. So wow, what do we have after a nice take profit hit right here and after a nice hit of our zone as expected? Let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can take it from there. And I just want to show you the value of these zones. These zones are our area of values, supply and demand zones. On me long, back in a second. We still have a room. If you remember, our target here on this data is right here, 1.618 retracement, which has not been hit. I'm expecting a market to hit this zone. We can expect a push down, a pullback, and then we can expect a push up to this zone, which is 8.937, goes up to 9.369. And once we hit this ping zone, I will look for a bearish pressure either as an engulfer, double top, pin bar. Okay, perfect. So right now, what do we have? A nice engulfing pattern, right? As per my previous video, I've said that I'll be looking for sell opportunities once the market hit this zone with a bearish confirmation, and we got this nice bearish confirmation. And if you look at 180R target from here, the ATR of this candle is 25. Let's do 26. And you can see if you have entered here, the market pushed down and easily hit our target right here. We got 38 number here. So right now, so this area of value plays a really important part in our trading, and that's why I send these areas of value. I call this forex zones. I send it in my priority group every Monday so that you know where to take counter trades from or to take trend continuation trades from once it's broken. So if you're interested to join that, you can join one of my partner broker. Links are in the description. Once you join it, I will start sending you these reports every Monday, and along with that, I'll send you the entry patterns. Once we get this type of entry conditions, I also send you that priority trade signal 1 to 3 times a week. So with that, you learn the entry patterns, and with that, you know the area of values as well. So right here, what to expect next now. So if you have heard about the order blocks, so these area are very important, and if you have heard about the order blocks, that is what we call this supply and demand zone, which is like the banks and big institutions, they have their order placed on these zones, these areas of value. That is why they place their order on these zones so that they won't disturb the market equilibrium and the small retail traders like us. So that's why these big banks and institutions, they place their orders like right here, and that is why it's really important to make sure you mark these zones correctly to take your counter trades from. So with lots of talking, guys, let's start our analysis. Let's see what to expect next from natural gas. So right here, now market is pushing down, and overall, if you see, the market is now in an uptrend quite along now. But as you know, we have these zones marked right here, right here. These are the zones where we can grab some nice pips, we can grab some counter trades from. And as you can see, we had a nice push down and our target hit before the market pushed up to the next zone. So same here, we have a push up, we had our supply zone right here, our resistance zone, market push down, hit our target. So market is still in an uptrend and we grabbed our profit. So right now we can still expect a market to push down and hit 50 EMA and hit this previous level of support, which is 8.051, and that goes down to 7.836. So this is the area I will be looking for another bounce. We can hit 50 EMA and we can get a nice bullish candle from here to take long trades from. So right now, only enter once we have a good bullish candle. And if we break below that, then we have a good major zone below here. So we can also expect a market to push down to this pink zone, which is 7.545. That goes down to 7.306. So this is the major zone. This zone can be broken, but we have 50 EMF support here. That's why I'm just paying attention to this zone as well. So if we break below that, we can expect the market to push down to this zone. Here on Oanda, if you are trading on this platform, I do have an account with Oanda, so that's why I do analysis here. And some traders from US, they also trade on Oanda and the other countries as well. So that's why I'd give two analysis on both sides. So right here, as you can see, the market pushed here, hit our target from our resistance zone right here, and now approaching this level 50 EMA, which is our level of support as well. So now I'm expecting a bounce from here. As you can see, the market is in an uptrend for a while, and the reason we have these zones marked is to grab some good pips, counter trades out of these zones on a lower time frame, which is enough to hit our target before the market push up to the next zone. So right here now, market is pushing down and we have 50 EMA here, and this is our minor level of support as well. We can expect a push down, we can expect a bullish candle here, and then we can expect a push up back to this zone, and it can still go and break above this previous high. So keep an eye here. Once we get a good entry reason, only enter then. Or if we break and close below, if we do not get any sort of bullish entry reason, then we can expect a market to push down further to this pink zone, which is 7.256, goes down to 7.017. So at this point, just keep an eye on this zone. We can expect a bounce, and then we can expect market to come back to this zone, and we can expect a double top move as well. So that's all for natural gas, guys. I hope you are getting value out of it. If you're getting value out of it, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. Let's move on to silver. So white, if you remember my previous analysis, I've said that silver is now approaching a level of good level of support, and you see the market bounced from this level. So now, not breaking below this level, we can expect a bounce from silver right here. And the reason I'm doing silver analysis, sometimes silver pushes the gold up or pull the gold down, vice versa for gold. So that is why I'm doing silver analysis as well, because silver is in a buying area. That's why I'm expecting a gold to push up from here as well. As you can see, its gold is also now hitting this major level of support that has acted as a resistance as well in the past. So I will enter gold only once we have a good break and close above 50 EMA. Then we can expect a good bounce from gold at least till 1907. So right here on crude oil, I was expecting a nice push down from this candle, which we did not get, of course, but we are still in a level of resistance. Market is still resisting this level, and as you can see, we are still not broken above the previous high. So yes, I'm not looking at any sort of shorting at this point unless I get this candle closes at 108.588. Otherwise, if we have a break and close above this resistance zone, which is 111.516, goes down to 107.737. So once we have a break above and close above, then we can expect a good push up from crude oil as well, which I will for sure update you guys once we have this sort of condition. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week and have a wonderful weekend. Take care.